Upper limb injuries related to the prolonged use of manual wheelchairs are well documented. These injuries become even more challenging for individuals who rely solely on their hands for daily activities and mobility. Experts agree that these issues can be mitigated if manual wheelchair users receive adequate supervised training on proper techniques. However, due to time constraints, clinicians can typically provide new users with only 30 minutes of training, an amount insufficient to master the necessary skills. At McGill University and the Jewish Rehabilitation Hospital in Laval, we are addressing this challenge with an innovative, low-cost manual wheelchair simulator. Our simulator offers a safe, engaging, and controlled environment where users can practice propulsion techniques and navigation skills while building endurance. The simulator operates independently, requiring no supervision. It tracks key performance metrics such as contact angles, cadence, and stroke patterns, allowing users and caregivers to monitor progress effectively. At Tavantech, we envision an inclusive society where everyone has the opportunity to thrive. Through technology, we empower individuals with disabilities.